Hey, Phil here with another Python basics question. Nick, what can I do once I learn Python?
There are a whole lot of options because Python is so popular. You can use it in a whole lot of places. I'll tell you, my personal favorite is for little fun projects to automate things. So, for example, on my Twitter account, I have set up this little Python program to go through all of my followers and every day pick one random follower and tweet at them, hey, you're the random follower of the day, and your lucky number is 42, or it picks some random number between 1 and 100. And to me, that is just an insanely fun project that I set up one weekend because I thought, how cool would that be? Someone who you followed, like, hey, you're my special follower. And it's kind of this fun thing that, the Python random function, selected some special person and that's their day. So Python is great for little things that you want to automate on your own computer or with different social networks. Also, Python can be used for web development. My own personal website, zappycode.com, is entirely written in Python. Other places that you can go with Python is if you'd like to do some data science. So this is a little bit more of what I consider the nerdy thing. What am I saying? I'm a programmer. I'm already a nerd, but the data science people, they're next level because they're tackling some really big problems with data, and they have to use Python as a way to really crunch some big things and do some calculations that previously would have taken months or years to figure out, and now thanks to modern computers and this programming language can be done very quickly. So that's another place that you can go. Then there's even more niche places. For example, machine learning, which is essentially a way to teach computers to do something. That's a great fit with Python. So you can sort of find ways to for example, if you've ever used a social network that has an algorithm trying to recommend something to you,
Mhm.
that is machine learning. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, they sort of mesh into the two. Don't tell anybody that they're kind of the same thing. But yeah, those are some things that you can do with Python.
That's amazing. And I do actually have an example of my own where my brother programmed it for me. But speaking of social networks, I have a Facebook group and I get hundreds of requests for this Facebook group every week or so. And I asked them, one of the questions is, would you like to be added to my email list? And
Mm.
instead of myself going through there, taking the time to copy and paste that into my email list, or even paying someone to do that for me, he's written a program with Python that will automatically accept everyone into the group if they have answered another question with a specific secret word to join the group. And then it also will, depending on if they've submitted an email address for that other question, add them to my email list. So for businesses and brands, if you have one yourself, or it's a skill that you can really cater and offer to other businesses and brands, not necessarily giant ones, but entrepreneurs and solopreneurs like myself, can even use Python for a lot of things to speed up my workflows and automate little tasks like that too. So exciting stuff, Nick. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks for answering the question.